Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the blank icons that we see in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices desktop. So for that, we will be opening first our run window. And to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here. Or you can just make a press in the Windows R key altogether in your keyboard, and then once the run window is already open, we can now type up data. And once you have already typed it, just please click on OK or enter. And then this time we have now the local, low, and roaming folders. So if you're not seeing these folders in this location, all you need to do is just to click on the view option here. And then once you have done that, hover your cursor into the show option at the very bottom part, and then you will see this hidden items option. So once you click on this one, it will show the hidden files and folders that are marked as hidden. And then once you have done that and the local option or local window has already appeared, please open the local folder and then scroll down. You will get this icon cache option. So if you click on this icon cache, if you make a right click on this icon cache option, and then you get the uh if you get the delete button there, then please click on delete button, and then it will be deleted from this location. So once you have deleted it, just please close this window. We will proceed now with the task manager window. So to open the task manager, simply make a right click here in the Windows taskbar and then go click on task manager option. And once you're already in the task manager window, all you need to do is just to go and look for Windows Explorer. It could be under app section or background processes section. So once you have already found it, all you need to do is just to make a right click on that and then click on this restart button. So once you have already do that, it will restart the Windows Explorer, and then just wait for the taskbar to appear, and we will now close this window. So the taskbar already appeared. Let's just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you will see that all the blank icons that you're seeing in your desktop will now be fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.